Right, students? Next, we discuss about ionization enthalpy variations in groups and in periods. In our previous classes, we have discussed about ionization enthalpy definitions and affecting factors. After that, we will discuss about variation of ionization enthalpy. In modern periodic table, we have the groups and periods. In that groups and period, how the ionization enthalpy will be variated. So in groups from top to bottom, groups are arranged from top to bottom in groups. What happen? Ionization enthalpy is how they will be variated in groups. Just you take a first group elements. The elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. In the first one, hydrogen is also there. Hydrogen is not a exact position of first group element. The position of hydrogen will be not decided up to here. The majorly first group elements are these are. The lithium has two shells. Second period element, the third period, fourth one, fifth one, sixth and seventh period element. Second period means it can has two shells, 1 and 2. Third period has three shells. What happened here? Size will be increases. From go to down, size will be which one? Increases. Here decreases. This is the size. When go to down, the atomic size will be which one? Increases. By the increasing of the size, the attraction forces. What happen? Attraction forces decrease here. More size, less size, less size, more attractions, more attractions. Here big size, less attraction forces, less attraction forces. Due to the small size, the distance between the outermost electron to nucleus is a very less, then attractions are more on outermost electrons. In this case, remove the electron is a difficulty. Then you apply the more energy, more ionization energy. Here the distance is very high. Then attractions are less attraction forces. And here remove the electron is easy. Removing electron is very easy. Then you apply less ionization energy. You apply the less amount of ionization energy. Then what happens from top to bottom? Ionization energies are decreases. Ionization energies are decreases. From top to bottom, ionization energies are decreases. Then you take in periods. In periods from left to right. In periods, elements are arranged from left to right. Take a single period. For example, I am taking second period elements. What are the second period elements? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So these all are second period elements. The last one here also. In that, from left to right, according to our previous atomic size concept, from left to right, size will be what happened? Decreases. This is the size. And what happens? Size will be from left in periods, from left to right, size will be decreases. There are more size. More size, less size. More size here, less size. More size means less ionization energy because of less attraction forces. Here more ionization energy. Here more ionization because of less size, more attraction forces, more ionization energy. Here more size, less attraction forces, less ionization energy. In periods from left to right, ionization energy will be increases due to increasing of nuclear attractions. Due to nuclear attraction forces. Okay, na? This is the variation in groups and this variation in periods. Okay, then we discuss some exemptions, some exemption cases in these variations. Okay, now exceptions. Generally, from top to bottom, ionization energy will be decreases. Top to bottom, ionization energy will be decreases from top to bottom. I values are decreases because of atomic size will be increases. Then left to right, what happened? Ionization energies are increases because of atomic size will be decreases. This is the concept. You take first one, hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. Now, hydrogen and helium both are belongs to first period elements. That is the shortest period in periodic table. Hydrogen and helium. These are located here from right side of first element, and this is the left side first element. This is the right side last element. Right, we are appearing the outline of the modern periodic table. This one. Here the hydrogen. Here the helium. The hydrogen here, helium. Here from these are located from left to right, nothing but in period direction. In period direction, which is what happens? The ionization energy increases or decreases. From left to right, ionization energies are increases according to this one. Then our expectation. Expectation is hydrogen has less value than helium. Hydrogen has less value than helium. But reality is hydrogen has more value than helium. This is the reality. This is the reality. Our expectation is this one. Based on this data, then these elements are arranged in a single period from left to right. Then our expectation is this one. Hydrogen has less ionization energy than helium. Then after that, for our reality is which one? Hydrogen has more value than helium because of atomic size. Hydrogen has a smaller size than helium. Is the atomic size. Because in helium is a noble gas element. It has a van der Waals radius. In hydrogen, it can look like as a covalent radius, and it is a van der Waals radius. Van der Waals radius. In these two, which is a higher value? This is a van der Waals radius is higher than covalent radius. Then this is a more size, this is the less size. More size, less IP, and less size, more IP. The ionization energy order. Okay now. Okay, so this is the first exemption. You can take the second one. You can take second period elements. What are the second period elements here? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So these are the second period elements. Neon also there, but neon has a somewhat bigger size. In compared to size, neon is the position, first position. But I am taking only this one. In this, from left to these are arranged from left to right. Atomic size will be decreases. Then ionization energies are increases. There are expectation is, so this is the order. Ionization increasing order. Expectation. Then here beryllium as configuration is 2s2, 2s2, and boron as 2s2, 2p1, carbon 2s2, 2p2, and nitrogen 2s2, 2p3, oxygen 2s2, 2p4, fluorine 2s2, 2p6. Yeah, beryllium as fulfilled electronic configuration, fulfilled electronic configuration, and here nitrogen also having which one? Half filled P3, half filled configuration, half filled configuration. Here these two elements are not having a regular order because of here fulfilled is the most stable and half filled also most stable. Due to the stability, so these elements are not following the regular order or not following the expectation order. They can change a single element. They can change their show the variation from single element like what the reality order is. The reality order is, what is that means here? Lithium after boron after then beryllium. Here some exemption here. Here beryllium after boron and then boron after beryllium, then after carbon, after oxygen, after nitrogen, after fluorine. This is the reality. This is the reality. So this one, in both in these two cases, these elements are considered some different variation because of the more stable electronic configurations. Okay. These are variation second, like in the third period are same position. You take the third period element. Third period, what is the elements here? Third period elements are lithium after sodium, potassium, just a minute, sodium, after magnesium, aluminum, and silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. They are all same position. Magnesium has some show that this special nature. These two elements. These two are as well. This is 3s2 configuration. These are 3s2, 3p3. They are not having they are not obey the regular order. They can show some deviation from here to here. And here this one. These are variation. So these are some exemption cases in periods. Then take the next one in the group wise exemptions. Take an example 30 group elements. 30 group elements. What are the elements here? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. So these elements are arranged from top to bottom. According to our previous data, from top to bottom, atomic size will be increases. Then ionization energies are decreases. Atomic size increases, ionization energies are decreases. Then what happen here? Our expectation is this one from top to bottom ionization values are decreases. Then this is the higher value. Our expectation. This is our expectation. But reality is so this ionization energy is not following this regular order. They can show the some different variation like boron has more ionization energy than after aluminium. Just a minute. Boron after aluminium. Next one. So these elements are cannot follow the regular order. They can show the different variation like this. Boron after aluminium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. So order is so what is the first element here? Boron. Next one thallium, gallium. Next one indium. Last one is which one? Aluminium. So this is the order. Now reality order is boron has more ionization energy. After that thallium. After that gallium and indium. After aluminium. So this is the reality. So what is the reason? So generally from top to bottom atomic size will be increases, ionization energies are decreases. So then our expected order is this one. Then why the ionization energy of 13th group elements are not following this regular order? They can show the different variation. What is the reason means? Here in thallium, due to the lanthanide contraction, atomic size decreases, very small size. When compared, actually the size will be very bigger size of thallium. In that, due to the lanthanide contraction, nothing but 4F elements. 4F elements lanthanide contraction. Due to the lanthanide contraction, the size of the thallium will be somewhat very less position. That's why this lithium thallium has a more ionization energy in the 13th group. Then next one, in indium. Just a small change here. That indium, this one gallium. In indium, what is the transition effect. Due to the transition effect, this iron in the indium size will be also somewhat decreases. So by these reasons, the 13th group elements are can show the different variation in ionization energy. Okay, so this is our expected is this one, but reality is this one due to some reasons. Okay, these are expectation or exemption cases in ionization energy.